Today we have Reginald Masters with Masters Home Mortgage. Hi, Reginald. How are you?
Hi, I'm pretty good. How about yourself?
Great. Thank you for joining us today. I was excited about having the opportunity to speak with you because I wanted to share with people the services that you provide in home mortgages. I know that I work with you, and one of the primary reasons I decided to work with you was because of your responsiveness. We've done 2 deals together, and both times they were a little bit rocky, but the thing that I found admirable was that you were always communicative. You kept everyone informed. So tell me, why did you decide to get in the mortgage business, and why did you decide to open your own company?
So the reason why I decided to get in the mortgage business actually chose me. I didn't choose it. So, to make a long story short, when I got out of college, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I put on a suit and tie, went building to building, passing out my resume, and a guy from the mortgage industry gave me an opportunity. So that's really how I got in the mortgage business. And over the years, I've learned a lot. I've had a lot of different experiences, and I found that a lot of people reached out to me for advice on their mortgages. So I decided to get my own mortgage license. So that's really, how I actually got into the business and why I'm in the business. And then as far as starting my own company, I've worked for several companies, and what I've found is in the mortgage business, things change a lot. During the crisis, a lot of companies went out of business. In fact, every company that I worked for during the crisis actually went out of business. So I've just learned to, just kind of take the knowledge and then be able to use it, myself. And most recently, I was working for a larger company, Loan Depot. Very good company. I have nothing bad to say about them at all. What I found is sometimes, the pricing got high, and I would be priced out of the market. So I wanted the opportunity to be able to be competitive in any situation. So, if a certain lender, had changed as far as from operations, as far as from pricing, I wanted to be nimble enough to be able to, change my business and send it somewhere else versus, being stuck with one lender. So I wanted that flexibility to be able to, help my customers and give them the best possible deal under, all circumstances. So that's one of the main reasons why I started my own company. And then I've always had an entrepreneurial spirit too. So, I've always, deep down had that burning desire to own my own company. So, and, hopefully, one day, I can build it big enough to where I can maybe pass it down to some relatives or something. So, so that's always been, a passion or, a desire of mine. So that's probably my second reason why I started it too as well.
So what is the advantage of an agent? What advantage does an agent have when working with you?
So one of the main advantages is when customers get pre-approved, it's often it's often encouraged to them, or they're encouraged to actually shop lenders, right? So a lot of times what happens is they go to 3 different banks and they get their credit pulled 3 different times. You can do up to 3 pulls and it shouldn't affect your credit. It should be like 1 pull. If you come to me as a mortgage broker, I can actually do that shopping for you. You pull your credit only 1 time, and then I can shop with probably all the banks that you're going to be shopping with anyway.
Okay.
And then that way, I can determine the differences in turn times and rates and discount points and lender credit. So there's a lot of things that usually a buyer would not have the knowledge of, unless they were, in the mortgage business, to know, if they're really getting a good deal or not. A lot of it depends too on the originator themselves, right? So, I mean, you can go to, a bank with the brand that everybody knows about, but at the end of the day, it's going to determine that originator, that mortgage loan officer, is going to really determine if that loan actually goes smoothly, or if they can get it done, if it's a tough deal, if they know certain things to be able to get tough deals done. Because, being like new to the business, there's a lot of different rules with mortgage guidelines and things like that. So there's a lot of loopholes that if you're not really experienced, you wouldn't know how to really navigate certain situations. So.
Okay. That's pretty good. And you really an opportunity to compare apples to apples as opposed to apples to grapes and bananas.
Absolutely.
So how does one get in touch with you to work with you?
So the easiest way is to actually just give me a call. Give me a call, and if I don't answer, I will return your call. Even that. Yes. So I'm going to always return your call, or you can send me an email too. So the best thing to do is call me on my cell, 678-938-7932. Or
wait, say that again. Say that again.
It's
slowly.
Okay. 678. 938-7932.
Okay.
And then you can also email me to Reginald, that's my first name, REGINALD, at mhmteam.com, like Masters Home Mortgage Team.com. So you email me or call me, and I can answer your questions, and I can get on a call with your clients. I can do a 3-way call. I can talk to them directly. Whatever is comfortable for you, I'm willing to do whatever we can to make home ownership a reality for our clients.
Well, thank you very much, Reginald. Your information will also be on connected with the VisionMoves website. We wish you continued success, and thank you very much for everything you've done. Have a great day.